Guys, Marge, my computer services, working on this HP 19, had Windows 8 originally on it. They were thinking about buying another one because it's so slow, so ran an SSD hard drive combo, upgraded the RAM from 4 gigs to 8 gigabytes, from Windows 8 to Windows 10 Home. As you can see, because of the SSD part, and then fine tuning slash RAM, it all helps each other out. But boom, there you go, nice and responsive. So right now, I issued the task, the CPU at 100. You can see it now. I fine-tuned it so to drop the usage on all, because typically, for the most part, all Windows operating systems, when they're initially installed, they're all detuned out of the box. So typically, for the most part, fresh install, these numbers be all spiked. CPU, disk, memory be in between, but typically CPU and disk be pretty much peaked. So I fine-tuned it, turn a lot of things off, etc. Things you don't need. But yeah, so customers should be happy. And basically, use all 500 GB as storage, and I remove the optical drive and put a hard drive caddy, put a 128 GB SSD as primary. So now it's running 128 GB SSD, 500 GB hard drive, and then 4 GB of RAM to 8 GB of RAM. And then also replaced since I was all in there, replaced the thermal paste and pads. Actually, we'll add the thermal pads. A little cooler, the less heat soak, the better. So, and this is a 2-core 2 processor, so it's running its peaks for its generation wise. But yeah, so there you go, nice and all set up. So customers should be happy, because once again, like, they were really thinking about getting rid of this or retiring it, and get another computer. So her brother's like, nah, he did my stuff, so just give him a jingle. And yeah, picked it up Wednesday. I've been busy in Seattle, been doing a lot of computers. So yeah, I finished today on Friday. And yeah, it's been busy, so which is a good thing. Nothing wrong with that at all. I'm happy business is picking up. So and I love doing bringing all the computers back to life. Simple, affordable upgrades, and rolling fresh now. So yeah, thank you for your time. Like, subscribe. I need to do a lot more videos, most definitely. And then yeah, I'm still doing my posts. I have a lot more to do. I'm going through all my computers, all the work that I have done. I need to upload, etc. So any questions, you can DM me, PM me, etc. I didn't post up my my background image. Why I usually have my phone number, my link streak set up to see my other social media platforms. But yeah, computer hustle, that's what I do, that's what I love. And I love, once again, bringing old computers back to life. And when people doubt them, I got you guys best at. So any questions, I got you. So thanks for your time. Like, subscribe. Once again, all of the techies, whatever you do in the social media platform, we follow each other. Try to like, subscribe, comment on the grades, help each other out. We can all make money, win, etc. Eventually, if we can all help each other out and support each other. Once again, the big boys already made it, man. They're well off. Us little guys trying to make it. Once again, if we all help each other out, we'll all make it together. But that's on us. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Stay fresh. Like,